Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are like me and love having a nice, clean workspace, then you are going to love this desktop whiteboard with storage from Birch.
This will help you say goodbye to your cluttered desk and help you organize it and organize your thoughts. I am so obsessed with this organizer. It is in the color moss, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the inside, how well the storage system works, and how it features these removable things that will help you just organize better. You can take them out, put them in, and you can put all kinds of stuff on the inside, from sticky notes to pens to your dry erase markers and your paper clips. Everything fits inside. And the top is this amazing dry erase board. This comes with three different markers as well as an eraser. And I love how the top even has storage for your tablet or your phones. It really is just the ultimate desk buddy. I love how sleek the design is, and it looks just so modern and nice on my desk. I also think it would make such an amazing gift for a coworker or someone for a housewarming.
I love how this helps keep your desk clean. You can write notes on it, and it is just so stylish. I love, love, love this organizer from Birch, and I think you should get one. And that's my point of view.